Hello guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we're going to show you Perplexity AI tutorial. So we'll be showing you how to use Perplexity here. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first things first is we first have to know what is Perplexity here, so we'll be able to understand what is actual use. Well, Perplexity here is an AI tool, which in this case you could use it like Google. Now in this case, instead of just using it as an ordinary Google, it actually uses AI here to basically combine different sources on the internet as a response to your queries. Like for example, if you're going to ask what is the weather today, it's going to search for a website that actually caters to those information, and it's going to skim over it and basically combine the information that they have right now as a query that you'll be seeing later on. Now, to start using Perplexity here, we need to first visit their website. So it's going to be perplexity.ai here. Now, under perplexity.ai, there you will be able to see the very center here that says Ask Anything. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and start using, or basically start using the platform itself or asking anything here. But before we actually ask anything here, we first have to know what is the things that you could do here on the main UI. Now, the left panel here, you have the new thread here. For example, if you want to create a new thread that is unrelated or different from your current thread here, you could change that. So if you're aware with ChatGPT, you have like different threads that you could actually create and switch over whenever you want to basically switch to a different topic. Because with the use of AI here, you could actually backtrack on that. Like for example, you could ask them like what we discussed before, what are the following information that we got here, or basically skim or basically combine all the ideas that we got on this thread. You could ask them that. Now in this case, you also have the home section here, which in this case is going to be the home section. Now Discover here is a great way for you to basically entertain yourself. So there's going to be different ideas and topics that you could actually view here that is compiled. As you can see, you should be able to see different ideas like Mac turns 40, Butter Chicken, Origin Lawsuit, and you should be able to see the amount of people that actually viewed this specific article and how long ago it was actually posted here or added into Discover. Now also, the library section here is where you'll be able to see your library, but you need to sign up or sign in first for you to have a library. And also, if you want to try the pro version here for Perplexity, you go and click on Learn More here at the bottom left, and you should be able to view that. But first, we need to sign in or sign up. So in this case, let's just click on sign up here, and from here you could choose either Google or Apple here, or continue manually. So you just need to enter your email address here and click on continue with email. But for now, I'm going to use my Google account. Let's just choose this one, just my Google account here or Gmail account here. And from here, it's going to ask us to create our account. Now in this case, you could go ahead and edit your avatar, your username here. But for now, I want to use this specific information here as the sign up. And from here, it's going to say try Pro here. So if you want to start using Pro, but you could also use it for free if you want to as well. But again, if you want to use Pro here, there's going to be more perks and more things that you could do here on Perplexity. But for now, we just click on skip here, and Perplexity for your phone. So if you want to download Perplexity into your phone, you could also do that. So it has the same functionalities just in your phone. But for now, let's just click on finish here to complete the whole sign up process. And as you can see, we just created our account. Now again, if you go to your library here, you should be able to see different threads that you have right now. So you can see in my library, I actually created previously a section here that says top movies this month. I actually asked them this question here. But for now, what I want to do here is I want to create a new one. So in this case, we want to go to the home section here. So maybe in the Ask Anything section, maybe we want to say, what are great food ideas for this month? And from here, just press on enter, and it's going to give you ideas for food for this month, which is as of the recording of this video, it is going to be January. So just going to give you different information here, your other result that you have right now. Now the great thing here from Perplexity is they actually give you the sources where they actually got the specific details that they actually got. Especially if you're making research or any theses, it's really great to see where it actually came from. Now in this case, there's going to be a lot of websites here like Taste of Home, and a lot more. So if you want to view a specific article here, you can go ahead and click on it and open it in a new tab. And you should be able to actually view the article that is actually based off it from. Now in this case, since we already have a query here, you could basically indicate if the output here is actually inaccurate, or if you want to view the sources, or if you want to copy the query here, or if you want to edit a query if you want to a different one. So for example, maybe you made some typo, you meant you didn't mean what you actually meant here on your query here. Also, we have the share here if you want to share this to a specific platform. So you could go and click on link, copy link here. You will be able to copy it. Now we also have the rewrite here. So if you're not satisfied with the following response here, you could basically ask them to rewrite the response here, and you could choose how you rewrite it. So you have Copilot, the Pro Experimental here, or GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini Pro. So maybe I want to say GPT-4 here, but again, you might need to have Perplexity Pro here for you to use that. So for now, let's just choose Copilot again, and then it's going to reload that for you. Now in this case, there's going to be a few things here. So if other, please input the type of food. So maybe I want to say it is going to be for lunch as an example, and just click on send. And from here, it's going to start creating a query for us. It's going to start searching the web. And from this case, just wait for it. And as you can see, you should be able to see the result for it. So as again, these are the answers, the sources of this answer here. And also, if you want to ask a follow-up question or query here, you could go ahead and just type it in here. If you want to add images, text, or PDFs, well, you could actually add them, but there's going to be limitations. As you can see, 3 left today. So there's going to be a daily limit. So if you have a PDF that you want to base it from, or any images that you want to base it from, you should be able to see it in this section here. Now, in this case, how do we actually further use this one? So since we already have a query here, maybe you want to ask a different one. So sometimes having additional information or data that actually will be able to add into our paper or in our research is a great way. So at the very bottom, you have the related options here, or topics. Now in this case, it's going to search you some topics here. What are some healthy winter recipes? What are some easy lunch ideas for the month? So if you want to add that specific idea, just click on the plus button here. And as you can see, it's going to start generating a response for us and answer. Again, if they are going to ask any question here, so what are, if other, please enter cuisine here. So maybe I want to say Asian here, and just click on send. And it should start creating the response itself. And from here, you should be able to see the response as you can right now, as well as the sources that we see before here. So yeah, so using Perplexity here is actually pretty easy. So maybe for research or personal use, Perplexity is a great way for you to know the sources on the prompts that they will be giving you. So you, just in case you need to reference a website, you'll be able to reference them on your research. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.